Hello, this is Pastor Padron, and today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to talk about events and maybe one in particular. Twin Smoke Shop, where I work, has had a tradition of doing a Peterson Pipe event around St. Patrick's Day each year. And these have been going on for some time. After doing one or two events that basically revolved around bringing in pipes and giving a discount to people, it just was starting to get a little tired. And so I was looking for ways to maybe spice it up, spruce it up, do something different. And as I thought about things, it came to my mind that really to do a great event, it needs to revolve around some kind of experience that people can get, an experience that's going to excite people, an experience that people are not going to want to miss, an experience that people are going to talk about, an experience that's going to inspire loyalty to your club or to your store. That experience also has to have some kind of retail tie-in, some way of buying into whatever it is you're trying to do. In my case, it's a cigar shop, so it's got to somehow encourage retail sales. I'm a big fan of the Peaky Blinders, and a few years ago I was sitting smoking my pipe and watching the show, and it all of a sudden hit me that maybe we could do some kind of Peaky Blinders themed event, and we'd call it the Petey Blinders for Peterson. And the rest is history. Since then, the Petey Blinders has become kind of the unofficial kickoff for event season at Twins. And this year, we're doing it on March 14th from 12 to 4 p.m. at Twin Smoke Shop in Londonderry. I thought I would share what we're going to do. And I have two reasons for doing this. One is to promote my event. The other is to kind of help you, if you are a club owner or a store owner, ascertain some things that you might be able to do for an event that really pulls people in, builds community, builds loyalty to your shop or club, and that's a lot of fun at the same time. This year, the Petey Blinders event includes a joining fee of $30. You've got to join the gang, and membership has its privileges. Once you get in there, we are going to be ushered up into the Garrison Lounge, which is our what we're going to be calling our lounge upstairs for the day. And that's going to get you a Redbreast whiskey tasting that comes with light refreshments. You're going to be able to smoke a selection of Seattle Pipe Club blends while you do that. There's also going to be a pour of Jameson given to everybody who is a Petey Blinder for a toast we're going to do together later that day. There'll be prizes for the best dressed, the best flat cap, and who's wearing the most green for St. Patty's Day. You're also going to get entered into a raffle prize that is a package being put together by LDG, who markets Peterson, and Jameson whiskey. And then the very best thing is that if you buy a pipe at the event, you will get to put that $30 joining fee against the cost of the pipe. So you either get that great experience for $30, or you can get the experience for free if you buy a pipe. Or by doing the experience, you get $30 off a pipe. Either way you look at it, it's a great deal for you. We're going to have a great selection of Peterson pipes there, Peterson lighters, Peterson accessories, and it's going to be a really, really awesome time. Now, we have two other things that we're doing this year that are new, that are, again, are just meant to make the experience kind of unique and fun. And that includes having some branded stickers and coins. And you can see them here. This is the first year this is the first year we're giving the Petey Blinders a kind of a branding. And any purchase is going to get you one of these Peaky Blinders stickers. For a purchase of $150 or more, you're going to get one of these Peaky Blinders event coins. They are great coin, kind of like challenge coin size. Have the Petey Blinders on one side, Twin Smoke Shop and the date on the other. And this coin is going to get you privileges as well. We're going to have a prize wheel up in the Garrison Lounge. Having one of these coins allows you to spin that, win something for yourself. It also will get you 10% off your bar tab that day at the event. And it's also going to get you 10% off a Twins Pipe Club pipe. Any purchase in 2026 of a Pipe Club pipe, whether it's old or the new one that we're going to have done for us which I'm announcing at the event. I'm not going to say anything more about that. You got to be a Petey Blinder to hear it first. But you have one of these coins and you show it when you want to purchase the pipe, and you'll get 10% off. People really, really get into it. It's become kind of a favorite event. What's great about it is the community building that comes, the loyalty to the shop that comes, the loyalty to the club that comes, the value, the perceived value, the fun that it brings is totally worth it. People love stickers. People love coins, challenge coins, collectible things. And either the sticker or the coin here can be a great reminder of the event. If you want to do a great event, I think that's how you do it. You plan some kind of experience that's going to draw people in, that's going to build a community, give people a chance to get together, be together, get to know one another, share their passion about their hobby. You want it to be an experience that leads to some kind of retail experience or an experience that invests in whatever it is that you're doing, whether you're a shop or a club or something else. And that experience kind of naturally leads into supporting whatever it is you're trying to do. And when you can do that successfully, you have a great, great event in my book. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful. One of the other things we're doing at the event is we have some tins of this that we've saved. The GLP's Silver Jubilee. It features a 25-year-old Red Virginia and a little bit of a Italian dark-fired Kentucky. It's great stuff. And if you do a purchase of $300 or more, you'll unlock the opportunity to buy one of the few tins that we have saved. If you spend $400 or more, we'll give you a tin of this. And that's fantastic too. Oh, that's what I'm smoking right now, as a matter of fact. And it's great timing this year with the Peaky Blinders, the Immortal Man movie coming back out. Hype for the series has come back. It's going to be a great, great time. If you're around New England, if you're around New Hampshire, I hope to see you there. There'll be pictures and posts and stuff on the Twins Pipe Club Instagram and Facebook page if you want to see that. But as you can see from the pictures that I've shown in the video here, it's a really, really good time. Anyway, that's my thoughts on some events and how to pull them off, how to do it. What are some of your event ideas? What do you look for in a great event? Or what are some ideas that you have found that work for you? I'd love to hear them. I'm always open to new ideas. This is Pastor Padron, wishing you a great day, blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. And that's not just blowing smoke, people.
It's gonna get personal.